Tired of thinking of it? Stressed about it? Okay then, let's solve your estate planning problems. With 10,000 boomers turning 65 every day, and $31 trillion of wealth transferring underway, let's get you from anxiety and uncertainty to peace of mind. Let's get you a full living trust wills package to protect your family. I help protect family wealth without fear and stress so you can achieve peace of mind. I am a 33-year veteran attorney known as the Wealth.Attorney. I make the process fast and easy, in 3 easy steps. First, if you choose an online state wills form, you must know that you would remain vulnerable to expensive and risky attacks by lawsuits and will contests. Second, you should want to avoid probate with a living trust package, its delays and huge expenses. Third, you should want an experienced California attorney to speak to and custom draft your estate plan, not a computer online bot or an online marketing service with inexperienced new attorneys. No more delays, no more procrastination. Let the Wealth.Attorney protect your family. Attorney Rydstrom is rated superb, 10 out of 10, and top 10% most honored lawyer. Call 877-WIN-4U, or click for the courtesy blueprint entitled The 13 Secrets of the Rich or Informed. Our website is Wealth.Attorney. If you own a business or have to lock away retirement assets, you're in the right place. Unlike the online living trust marketing websites, we do business, real estate and retirement high-level planning as well. Okay then, it's up to you. Let's do something great. See you soon. Thanks for listening.